Do you know that you can actually turn your WhatsApp into a money making machine? That's exactly what I did, and today I'll show you exactly how to monetize your WhatsApp step by step. Now, it doesn't matter if you have zero followers or you're just starting from scratch, or maybe you have an audience already. These strategies that I'm going to share with you in this video are going to work for you wherever you are. Now, here's the thing, before I get into the details, I want to share with you something. A few years ago, I thought WhatsApp was just for chatting with friends and also family. One day I realized something. The same platform I was using to share memes and also pictures and chatting with friends can also be used to make money online. Now, after realizing that, my first breakthrough came when I decided to actually make a WhatsApp group for free. The idea was to just test things out, to share the things I knew with people who actually were interested in the topic that I was talking about. After offering value, I introduced a follow up paid class for just $5, and to my surprise, people paid. That moment changed everything for me. I never used to believe something like that can work, but yeah, it did. It was a game changer for me because this now destroyed a lot of limiting beliefs in my head. So, here are three strategies that you can use to monetize your WhatsApp. The first one is group subscription. This is where you create a WhatsApp group around a topic you are passionate about or a skill you have. So, for instance, if you are into fitness, you can create a group offering workout tips and also meal plans. And people who are interested in a group like that, you charge them a small fee daily, weekly, monthly for access. And it's up to you to choose how often you want that to be uh, done. So if you want, it can be daily, weekly, or monthly. Remember, people will pay for exclusivity and access to you. So create a WhatsApp group around a topic or a skill you have. Then people who are interested in that topic or skill will have to pay a small fee to have access to you. Exclusivity is what people are paying for. And now the second strategy is selling digital products. WhatsApp is perfect for selling ebooks, PDFs, or video tutorials. For this one, you can simply share a preview of your product on your status. You can also add a compelling call to action. Then you're going to see what's going to happen. People who are interested in that digital product, they'll actually reach out to you and you will make sales that way. Maybe you have a free WhatsApp group where you offer value for free. Chances are two or three or four or five people in that group can buy a digital product from you. Drop a preview in that group. People who are interested, they're going to reach out to you and you are going to sell to them. And the third proven strategy is advertising space. If you have a large audience or high engagement on your WhatsApp status, monetize it by selling ad space. This is why you can go to people who have products and say, okay, I have high engagement on my status, my WhatsApp status, or in my WhatsApp group. So give me your product, I'll advertise it for you to this my audience, then you give me a fee. So here you're simply charging clients a fee to promote their products or services based on your status. Now, if you're serious about monetizing your WhatsApp, I've created a guide that will show you step by step everything you need to do to make money from your WhatsApp. I'll leave a link down in the description. Check it out. Now, here is the step by step guidance for you to be able to achieve this. For the first strategy, group subscription, what you're going to do is you're going to pick a niche or topic people care about. That's the first thing. People should care about this. Then you're going to create a compelling group name and also a description so people can know what this group is about. Okay, then you're going to market your group on social media and also WhatsApp statuses so people can know about this group. Then for payments, you can use PayPal or mobile money to collect fees. For the second strategy, selling digital products, you're going to choose a product that solves a problem. Then use Canva to design ebooks or PDFs. Then write a short ad explaining the benefits and share it on your WhatsApp status so people can know about your digital product, about this ebook that solves their problem. Then you're going to deliver product immediately after payment to build trust. Don't delay. People want fast things. So if they pay money, immediately you should be able to deliver that product. So you should actually learn how you can automate things to speed up things so that even if you're not there, the automation it does everything for you. Now, for the third strategy, advertising space. Now, for this strategy, you're going to build your audience by consistently sharing value content on your status. People should know you as a person of value. Secondly, you're going to create a rate card for your advertising services. Then you're going to showcase testimonials or results from previous advertisers to attract more clients. This is very important. People want to know that what you are doing is something that you've been doing for some time. So if they trust you, if they know you've been doing this, they will give you a chance to advertise for them. And just like that, you'll be making more money. Monetizing WhatsApp is simpler than you think, but it requires action. You have to be a person who actually takes action. You start small, you create a group, you sell your first digital product, or you reach out to potential advertisers. Remember, the key is consistency and also offering value. If you stay consistent and offer value, there's no doubt you'll be making money. And also, if you're interested in downloading these notes, I'll leave a link down in the description. I also have a guide that you'll have to download. I'll leave also the link in the description to all these resources that you would want to have access to in the description. But don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If it was helpful, please leave a like on this video and also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.